Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 7 says, what percent of 64.4 is 17.7? So we'll just translate this into an equation. Here's the word is, that's going to be my equal sign. On the right side, I have the number 17.7. Then I'm going to look for the word of. So I'm going to be multiplying what percent, which will be my variable x, times the 64.4. So x times 64.4 is just 64.4x, and that will equal 17.7. Now I'm going to divide both sides by my coefficient, which is 64.4. 64.4 divided by 64.4 is 1x, and 17.7 divided by 64.4 is about 0.275. If I multiply that by 100 or move the decimal point 2 places to the right, I find out that x will be 27.5%. So 27.5% of 64.4 is 17.7.